Hey there, welcome to today's video. You know, we've all been there, right? You're trying to grow your business, but somehow you keep losing customers along the way, or you're spending loads on ads without seeing a return. But don't worry, today we're going to dive into something super interesting that could totally change the game for you. Yep, you guessed it. We're talking about the digital marketing funnel. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one because it's going to be a game changer for how you approach your marketing. All right, so let's get the ball rolling and talk about what this digital marketing funnel thing is all about, shall we? First off, picture this. A funnel, you know, wide at the top, narrow at the bottom. Divide that funnel into 4 big stages: awareness, consideration, decision, and advocacy. Now, this isn't just any funnel. It's like a roadmap for your customer's journey. And the coolest part, you get to deliver just the right content or offers at each stage, making sure you're capturing their attention when and where it matters the most. Okay, so why should you even care about using a funnel for your digital marketing, right? Well, second on the list is this. When you organize your marketing efforts through this funnel, you're basically putting on sniper goggles for your ad spend. No more throwing money into the wind. You're targeting your audience with, laser-like precision. So now let's dive into, how you actually make this funnel thing work. For the awareness stage, you want to cast a net far and wide. We're talking blog posts, maybe some social media marketing, or hey, even webinars. The key thing here is to make people aware that you, my friend, have something they need. Moving on, let's chat about the consideration stage. This is where you're not just letting people know you exist. You're kind of like their go-to guide. You could offer in-depth how-to guides, tutorials, or even free trials. You're basically nurturing those leads and helping them move down the funnel. Next up, we got the decision stage. You know when you're in a store and you're holding 2 products in your hands, trying to decide. Well, this stage is like that pivotal moment for your potential customers. Maybe hit them up with a personalized offer or show off some killer testimonials. Just give them that extra little push they need to say yes to you. But hey, don't pack up just yet. After they've hit that buy button, that's when the real fun starts, the advocacy stage. Encourage these happy customers to talk about their awesome experience. Ask for reviews. Encourage social sharing or even referrals, because when they spread the word, you get new customers, and the cycle just keeps on going. Before we wrap this up, a couple of things to keep in mind. Okay, first up, you gotta measure your ROI. I mean, you want to know that this funnel thing is actually working, right? Next, don't get too comfy, always be optimizing. Run some S/B tests, dig into the data, tweak and fine-tune that funnel for killer performance. And oh, personalization. Can't stress this enough. The more you treat your customers like real people, the more they're gonna move through that funnel. So yeah, that's pretty much the digital marketing funnel in a nutshell. Trust me, this could be the missing piece to supercharge your whole marketing game. If you're loving the content, go ahead and smash that like button. Share it around. And don't forget to subscribe for more wicked tips and tricks. All right, that's it for today's video, folks. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.